Hello everyone. Hello once again to my loved friend here in YouTube friend. And again, welcome to my vlog for today. And for today's video with Sus Vlog, I just share my simple cooking for myself na gagawin this time. So, as you can see guys, you can see the red fish. 2 pieces of red fish. I have 2 pieces of tomato, 1 piece of red onion, a few of garlic, not garlic, sorry, ginger, yon. And of course, last week, nagagawa ako ng juice for my early morning. When I do my fitness, I drink this one. And I still have a few pieces of celery, so I plan to add also on my cooking for today. And of course, we have some zucchini, of course, and my spinach ko. Gusto kong maraming gulay guys at the same time kasi nga ang weather dito sa amin sa Moscow is a bit cold already actually. I don't feel the autumn is really cold already kasi last week rainfall ng snow, so it keep continue the cold weather. So I think until a few days will be keep like this the weather. So ayun, napaisip akong gumawa ng isang sinigang na fish for my food for this day. So today, I mean. So ayun guys, ikakat ko lang ang aking mga vegetable and I will show you for the next video. But for the meantime, I'll just show the main ingredient for my cooking tip for today. So to continue ang aking pagbablog guys, I show again this time. I already cut all the ingredient that I'm going to add for my cooking menu today. So ayan, nakat ko na rin po ang aking fish. Tig-sprinkle ko lang siya ng a little bit salt, a little bit garlic powder, and of course, nakat ko na rin ang aking little celery, ang aking zucchini, nakat ko na rin po siya, hindi ko na masyadong inalis yung skin kasi hindi naman ano. And of course, nakat ko na ang ating ginger, ayan, this is ginger, a little bit garlic, and of course, the tomato, and of course, the red onion. And at the same time, I also wash the spinach. Actually, I soak the spinach in the salt water. Usually, I did always like that to remove all the, you know, some natural something inside of our vegetable. So, ayan. The next ko namang ipapakita guys is magigisa tayo ng ating mga ingredients sa kawali. So, magpapainit tayo ng kawali guys. So, ayan guys, our pan is ready to serve for us. And we will just a little bit tiny salt. Very, very little salt. Tingnan natin. Kasi ayaw kong madaming oil. Ayan. I think that's more than enough. Ayaw ko sa iba, but me, I just use very light salt. Very light oil sa mga cooking ko. Gusto ko lang lagyan ng kaunti kasi nga, gigisa tayo ng mga gulay. So, kailangan natin ng kaunting oil. Sprinkle lang natin para ano. So, ayan. Ang una nating ilalagay is yung ginger. Ayan. Mainit ang ating kawali. It's really hot enough. Gisahin lang natin para maglabas yung aroma ng ginger. I don't know sa iba, but this is my idea for myself, cooking. And, kasi gusto kong lumabas yung kanyang flavor. Pag inuna ko kasi guys yung garlic, madali siyang ma-burn. And ayaw ko na-burn ng garlic. And, the next thing that I'm going to add is my red onion. Then, after that, pag nailagay ko na yung onion, nag-ano na siya, nag-slightly brown. Then, i-add ko na yung garlic. Ang huli kong ilalagay is garlic. Para nga hindi siya maano, to prevent not burn. And at the same time, hindi siya masyadong So, ganyan lang guys. I-slightly, ano lang natin. And the last thing that I'm going to add is the tomato. And ilagay na natin ang mga the rest na ingredient. So now I put the tomato. So now I add also the celery, guys. Para ano. And ilagay na rin natin ang ating zucchini. Slice, ano lang natin, tawag na to. Counting fry a little bit. Very little. Then ilagay natin ang ating fish on the top. Saka natin lagyan ng, ayan, di ba? Pag medyo okay na yung tomato, nag-melt na siya, para ang lasa niya ay mag-coat sa ating mga gulay. Ala, ang laki pa pala, hindi ko naiwa. Sorry. Lagyan natin ng tiny, ay, so hala, okay na yan. Medyo padami ata. Sana hindi siya maalat. So, ayan. Then, I will put my fish on the top. Ang lalaki naman ng aking fish na hiwa. Okay na yan? Ako lang naman ang kakain. Hindi naman yung kumakain ng ganitong isda eh. Kumakain siya ng isda but fry. And ayaw niyang kumain ng fish this time. He just like beef. So ayan na guys, ang cooking tip ni Sus. Napapasarap ang kain ko nito for my lunch. Hindi ko masyadong ano ng isda kay baka madurog siya. Yan lang ang aking lunch for today with Sus. And huli nating ilalagay yung spinach. Kasi ang spinach hindi naman kailangan ma-overcook or malutong-luto. Yan. So, antayin lang natin guys hanggang maluto ang ating mga vegetable, ang ating fish. And ang aking lunch ni Sus ay ready to serve on my table. Nyam nyam. Gagamitan ko pa rin pala siya guys ng medyo maasim-asim kasi wala akong lemon. Ito ang aking gagamitin, ang original sinigang na sinampalukan. Mayroon pa akong isa from Philippines, to be honest. Ayan, dala pa ito ng aking friend before and meron pa akong natira. So gagamitin ko siya this time, but I think it's only half of it. I will not use all. Ayan guys, nailagay ko na ang aking spinach. Dadahan-dahanin ko lang, sabay ganun dadahan-dahanin. Dadahan-dahanin ko lang guys ang aking kasi ayaw kumaano yung fish. So ayan, ready na ang aking lunch for today. So see you sa aking tingnan nyo naman ang isda natin. Sandali. O, diba? Nakubira na ng ating It's ready to serve na guys ang aking sinigang na isda. So ayan guys, ready na ang ating lunch. Nandito na po ako sa aking table. And of course, meron din po tayong kapartner. Nagluto din po ako ng brown rice. So ayan ang aking kakainin for my lunch today. Tikman nga natin kung anong lasa. Mainit pa kasi. Dali. Nyam nyam. Ayan. Ako'y kakain po muna guys ha. Sandali. So ayan guys, tikman natin ang ating nilutong ulam for today. Parang sarap. Ubusin ko tong isang nilagay ko sa aking bowl. It's so yummy. Tingnan natin yung mga gulay. Mm. It's so good. I like it. Tikman natin yung zucchini. Wow. Nag-ano lang ako ng rice, ini-scoop ko lang tapos yan, ano ko ng soup. Ganyan lang. Ang sarap guys, kasi malamig ang panahon dito sa amin. Anong oras pa lang dito pero ang dilim-dilim na. Hindi maganda ang ano ngayon eh. Andali. Bye-bye! Thank you for watching! Maraming salamat! It's so good. Sorry. Ganun ako kumain. No, I think I'm just being natural. Who the way I am. I love fish. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Sorry. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.